back to my channel. This week's video is going to be a move out with me, and I'm so excited. This video probably will be filmed over the course of a few days because there's like so much to pack in our house, and we're doing a ton of moving vlogs over on my vlog channel. So if you guys want to go check those out, I'm gonna have my vlog channel linked down below. You guys will get to see the whole house completely empty, but for right now, we're just gonna start with packing up my bedroom. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys just a little mini room tour, final look at my room before I pack it. I just got this new chair, so I'm super excited to have this in the new house. And I also need to take down this wallpaper. This has been up for so long, so I'm kind of excited to take it down.
Chances, I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me?
Okay guys, so I wanted to include a couple little moving tips into this video. I honestly don't have that many because this is actually my first time ever like moving a whole house. When Parker and I moved into this house, we were coming from our parents' houses, so we didn't really have like that much stuff. So I asked you guys on Instagram for some tips, and a lot of you guys said to label the boxes, which is something that I was gonna do anyways. DIY, get a marker, write on the box wherever the box goes. A lot of you guys also said to write on all sides of the box so that when you are like picking it up, it's really easy for you to figure out like where it needs to go. I think that's a really good idea. Boo Boo, you are just in my video.
Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak.
Alright guys, so here is a little update on the house and the moving progress. This is probably like 95% of our stuff. We still have a few things inside, like I need to pack our plates and our bowls. And then over on this side, we also have some stuff. So Parker's family is on the way over here. It's too bright. Parker's family's on the way over here to come and help us load everything. We also have a U-Haul that we're gonna pull into the driveway. Today's Saturday. On Monday, we're driving up. Parker's gonna drive the U-Haul by himself, and I'm gonna drive his truck. Are you sad? You have to be by yourself?
It's gonna be lonely.
I know. If you guys watch my vlog channel, you know that my friend Lauren just moved away. She actually is gonna live really close to our, well, she lives really close to where our new house is. So I actually flew her down so that she could drive up with me so I wasn't gonna be lonely. And she also hasn't been back here since she moved, so I flew her down so she could like see her family, but also so that she could drive up with me so that I wasn't alone for the 4-hour drive. What do you think? Is it more or less than you thought we would have?
Less.
Less?
Yeah.
I feel like I also kind of thought it was less. We probably have like 2 or 3 more boxes, and that's it. Just with like the rest of the stuff inside. We wrapped a ton of stuff in this plastic. So we just did this to like protect everything. So where did we get that? Like Home Depot or something?
Yeah.
So we have literally like all of our furniture pieces wrapped up in this plastic just to help protect it. We also have this roll of paper, so we kind of use that too to wrap stuff up. And then we also have kept all of like the bubble wrap and packaging, like foam and stuff like that, so that we could use it for like our mirrors and our TVs. So yeah, we're gonna start loading up the truck.
Just go to the deepest day. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You toss and you turn our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having enough, like my thoughts just stopped. Now all I think of is leaving this bad old spot.
Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to be packing is my closet. This is one of the last things that I need to pack. I'm trying to decide what to do. A lot of you guys suggested that instead of like actually packing our clothes into a box, that we get a trash bag that's like upside down and then poke a hole in the top and then keep the clothes on the hanger and like put the trash bag over the clothes with the hanger part like coming out, you know, so that we can like still have all the clothes on the hanger, but they're like protected by the trash bag. So that's a really good idea that I think I'm gonna do. But in our closet in the new house, we actually want to do like a custom IKEA closet, so we had them just leave it like empty, so there's no shelves at all. So while that would be helpful to have everything on the hanger, we don't have anything to hang our clothes on. We do have some clothing racks. We use those for a couple weeks until we actually get our IKEA closet. Hopefully we didn't pack the trash bags already. I don't think we did. I'm gonna go look. Okay, good news, we have trash bags. Our closet wins the award for worst lighting ever, so this is what it looks like. I have this whole shelf of shoes. Something else we want to do is fill up these suitcases. We literally have like 4 of them that we're gonna put clothes in, so I think I'll start with my shoe shelf and see how much space that takes up.
Get what you done, the way you act won't take me back. Just go, 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 go. 'Cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end.
All right, here's the update. Our closet is completely empty besides this tape and this trash bag. Now moving on to the kitchen. I just brought in some bubble wrap and I have a couple things in here I still need to pack. Mostly just this cabinet. Oh, that scared me. And then this one too. So a few more things. Okay guys, so I finished packing up the kitchen. I would say that we are pretty much like 99% done. I do have, I don't know, no, we can't see. We have a couple things over on this counter, random stuff that we're gonna take out tomorrow. And then, like I said, our mattress is still in here because we're sleeping in here for one night, but the house is like 99% empty. So I think I'm gonna walk around and give you guys a little mini house tour to end the video. I don't think that I did an empty house tour when we first moved in, but I've definitely done like a fully furnished house tour. So if you guys wanna see it when it was all the way done, I'll link that house tour down below, but this is gonna be an empty house tour. Let's just get started. Walk over to the front door. Actually, maybe, Boo Boo, will you come film me? Okay guys, so right now we are in the entryway. It's super echoey in here because the house is empty, like all the furniture's gone, so sorry if the audio really sucks. Our entryway is really big, so we have these pegboards in here that are super cool. So you guys come this way, this is where we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. So then we have 3 bedrooms right here. If you guys watched our vlog channel, you know that my brother lived with us for like 2 years, so this was actually his room. This, when we first moved in, I thought was gonna be my office / filming room, and I feel like we did film in there a lot more when we first moved in, but then my filming style kind of like changed, so we didn't really ever film in here. So it kind of became a storage room. I'm super excited to finally actually have that empty because there was a lot of crap in there. And then this in here was Parker's office. So this room got a ton of use. Parker was always in here playing his video games.
I would honestly say this is probably like the most used room of the house, other than our bedroom.
I mean, we were in the living room and the kitchen a lot.
Yeah,
out of these bedrooms, this is, well, I guess Trey was in here a lot too. So you come out of the hallway, we're back in the entryway, and then it opens up out here to the living room and the kitchen. And in our new house, the floor plan is actually like super similar to this layout now. I'm gonna do an empty house tour of that house next week, so make sure you guys watch that, but you guys will see that like the living room and kitchen floor plan is kind of similar in the new house. And I love how it's open and kind of just like all one big room. It's just like super cozy and really convenient for when you're cooking and you want to watch TV. So then if you come this way, our bedroom's out here on the same side as the other bedrooms. So like the kitchen and living room and everything's on this side, and then all the bedrooms are on this side. So then this is our room. Like I said, this is the one room that's not completely empty because we're sleeping in here tonight again. So we have our mattress on the floor and a couple like last minute boxes that we're still filling up. This is our room. You guys can see it has the best lighting probably in the whole house, I think. And then this is the bathroom. This was my side. Can you see you?
Yeah.
This is Parker's side. And then this is where the toilet is. And then we had a closet. And then back in here is like our closet for our clothes. I just remembered that we forgot a part of the house, and it's been forgotten in every single house tour we've ever done.
The laundry room?
Yes. Off our kitchen is the laundry room, and then just going out into the garage. It'll just remain a mystery because I don't think we've ever shown that in a house tour. Also, I'm sure some of you guys will be asking about my jacket. Sadly, it is sold out. I'll try to find something similar and link it down below. All right, guys, so that is the end of this video. Our first ever move out with me. I feel like when we first started, I was really stressed out, and then once we got that room cleaned out, I was like, oh, this isn't too bad. And then now that it's like still not quite finished and we leave tomorrow, the stress is back.
Really, I've pictured all of our stuff fitting in the U-Haul exactly like it fits, to be honest. Like I've all...
It's a little cramped. I think it's gonna be stressful when we're moving in because the more that I see like the small random little boxes, I'm like, freak, this is gonna be so hard to like get everything organized and in its place.
I think that we
think
can
it
have
will
it
be.
unpacked and like all the boxes sitting like where they need to be in order to be unpacked in the right spot.
Yeah, well yeah,
I feel like we can have that done in like an hour.
You guys will have to watch our vlog channel to see. Link down below. We're moving tomorrow. We're super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are super excited for a new chapter and a new adventure. Yeah, that's all for this video and all for this house. So we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye!